So now with the carving knife, also we'll work with a bush knife. So same as what we've been doing before, so we put the blade flat and then we just tilt slightly till we get that edge. Now I'm just going to work on the flat side of the blade first. Okay, now we're going to work on the curved bit of the bevel. So we go for where the flat starts to go into the curve, and the same again. And this time we just go with that curve. So all parts of the blade have been sharpened there. Okay, now the other side, and this time I'm going to do the whole blade, just at the right angle. For the very fine side. With these types of Japanese water stones, you need to redress the stone once you've finished sharpening. We'll go over that at the end, just to keep them absolutely flat, which is important. That's pretty much there. I'm just going to do one more and just alternate them this time. Two on that side, swap. There. Yeah, that's fine. You have to take my word for it, but that's got a nice little bite to it. So now we can wipe all the slurry off. You can see it's getting that nice mirror polish on the edge. Same with the carving knife. So it's always important to keep your tools as sharp as possible. It's the old saying, you're only sharp as your knife. But it is important, because one, you get a better finish on whatever you're trying to make using sharp tools, and also it's safer, because the blunt tool, you're using the tool a lot more heavier with more force, and that's when you're more likely to have an accident. So keep it sharp always.